Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 9th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by 3.5 points to 20.55 per contract. So the market, again, caught a little rally last night and then really faded right around 2 o'clock in the morning. You could see that big slide, and now the markets are starting to come back down towards those lows again. So again, futures are not down all that much, but they are down 3.5 points, and we do want to respect the tape. It's been a very volatile trading week, but excellent day trading, and that's really what we care about. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. We're going to start off with Costco. Looks like they reported earnings. Right now, the stock is trading at $164.40, closed at $168.87. Right off the bat, Costco will be in play today. Now, we don't have a major gap play on this name, but one thing I will say, the stock, we will be looking to trade it. One level that I'm seeing for Costco right off the bat, if it does come down, would be around the 154, 153.50 level. And I don't know if we get down there. It looks like we only traded down to 161 earlier today, so there's still a possibility of retesting that level. But either way, Costco is a stock that we play very often, and it will be in play today at some point. So again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, as usual, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. If you've already taken the trial, just join and you'll see everything that we're doing. Yesterday we had 6 winning trades in the chat room, just an absolute blockbuster day. So we're going to look to repeat that performance today. Let's take a look next at DuPont. DuPont now is in merger talks with Dow Chemical. So the stock is getting a big bid here, trading at around 73 and a quarter. Did trade above 75 briefly. I think the stock is overbought here at these levels, but again, this merger of these two companies is expected to happen pretty quickly, so we'll see how it plays out. So there's really not much we're looking to do here. If you take a look at Dow Chemical, ticker symbol is DOW. That is having a big pop as well. Stock closed at $50.90. It is now trading at 56 and a quarter. So again, big moves here in two of these chemical giants, but nonetheless, we'll see how it plays out. We'll see what comes out of these stocks. We'll see what kind of news comes out as well. And we'll see if the chart pattern gives us something to do here. Right now, I wouldn't do anything with them. I'd wait till the news settles in a little bit, and then we'd look at the pattern and see what the charts tell us. Let's take a look at Dave & Buster's. Ticker symbol is PLAY. And this stock's catching a pretty good little pop here. So this thing debuted, I believe, in December or November of 2014, and it is making new all-time highs up here. Again, it is a little bit overbought for my liking, so we'll see how it plays out, but I'm not sure if it's a fade candidate right now off the bat. This is a light volume stock, usually trades around 300,000 to 400,000 shares a day, but it is overbought. If you do own it, I would trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be looking to buy it up here. Let's take a look at Smith & Wesson. They had earnings as well. The stock has already run up. Right now it's trading at 21.15, closed at 21.39. So it's just a little bit lower than yesterday's close. But this stock had a big run up into the number. So here you can see the big breakout move. And whenever you get a stock like that, it usually needs to pull back a little bit, needs to base. But ultimately the trend is up on the name. Stock still looks strong, but it is overbought here. So let it pull back a little bit. Then traders can look to re-enter it on the long side. Right now I would not do that much with it. Let's take a look at Lululemon. Ticker symbol is LULU. Stock is trading at 52.16. If you take, I should say that's where it closed yesterday at 52.16. If you take a look at the stock right now, it is trading at 45.80, so it is getting hit pretty hard. The only level that I'm seeing right now, if it breaks through this 45 area, so if it breaks $45, I would look at $39 and I would just look at the $39 level. That would be a play for Lululemon. Other than that, there's not much to do here. There's definitely some minor support around the 45 area, given that the stock has a little bit of a double bottom there from a few weeks ago. But the level I think that looks better is around $39. So if you're looking to get into Lululemon, 39 is the level. Let's take a look at VRA Bradley. VRA is the ticker symbol here. This stock had a nice pop to the upside. It's trading right now at around $13.95, closed at $11.69. If by some chance it gets to 16, a Pierce of 16, that is going to be a fade play on Vera Bradley. I also have levels above it as well. But right off the bat, I am seeing a lot of resistance at 16. And believe it or not, you never know if it gets there. But if it does, that would be a level to watch. Freeport-McMoRan cut its dividend today, but that news was obviously baked into the cake. Stock sold off initially. Now it is recovering a little bit, so we'll see how that plays out. Wynn Resorts, Steve Wynn did buy a substantial stake in stock. So again, Steve Wynn buying some of his own stock back for himself. Right now the stock is trading at 66.90. I honestly just don't see a play here. Maybe it moves up a little bit, maybe it doesn't. I just really can't measure this one right off the bat, but we'll be looking at Wynn Resorts once the opening bell rings. I'm going to say you're probably looking at resistance around $69.50 to $70, but either way, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll look at that. Wynn is a stock name that we play very, very often. Yahoo is scrapping its spin-off of Alibaba. Stock right now is trading at $35.45. That's up $1 from yesterday, or a little bit less than $1 from yesterday's close. But again, I just don't see anything great on Yahoo right now, so we'll have to wait it out. Now, the U.S. dollar index is falling today, and if you've been an InTheMoneyStocks member, you know that we said the chart setup should take us lower, and sure enough, it is right now. So that's going to be beneficial for gold. Gold is trading up $7.90. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see a nice little pop there. Also, if you take a look at crude oil, that is up about 13 cents. So crude oil right now trading at $37.66 a barrel. Gold futures are trading at $10.83 and a half per ounce. So really, really nice move for gold today. Crude is not doing so great, but we'll look at that once the opening bell rings. So we have a lot of stocks out here moving, and again, futures are trading lower right now by about $4.50. So we want to keep an eye on that. There should be some good trading out here. So again, come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Like I said yesterday, we had some home run trades. Even in this video, I gave you a really, really nice trade yesterday as well. That worked out. We caught that with the members. And again, we're going to try to do more of that today. So with that being said, everybody have a great trading day. Come over, take that 7-day free trial, and we will see you on the charts.